Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Today I'm going to show you 10 simple things you can change right now that will instantly make your home feel more beautiful, calmer, intentional, and more like you. Let's start with something very small, but something we overlook and makes the home look shabby. Flat, lifeless throw pillows. They make your space feel tired, unfinished, and yes, a little neglected. Instead of replacing everything, just upgrade the inserts. Use feather or down inserts that are slightly larger than the cover. For example, if you have a 22 by 22 pillow, use a 24 by 24 insert so it looks fluffy, holds its shape, gives you softness, a relaxed, elevated look. Take a look at your blankets. If they're peeling, faded, or rough, they'll bring your whole space down. You don't need more, just better. Switch to linen, cotton, or a soft knit. One beautiful blanket is more powerful than 5 worn ones. Fake plants can work, but dusty ones instantly make a home feel neglected. If you're not maintaining them, remove them. Replace with one high-quality faux plant or something real and simple. Less, but intentional. More pillows don't equal more comfort. It's actually the opposite. Too many pillows create visual clutter, a crowded, heavy feeling. Edit them down. Keep only what adds texture, supports the space. Let your furniture breathe. Overfilled kitchen counters. This is one of the biggest ones. When your counters are covered in appliances, containers, random items, your kitchen feels busy. Even when it's clean, clear everything off. Then bring back only what you use daily or what adds beauty. That's what creates calm. Dark, heavy curtains. Heavy curtains can make a room feel smaller, darker, outdated. Switch to fabrics like linen, cotton, with soft, airy materials. Let the light come in. Your home should feel open, not closed off. And if you can, leave them without any drapery or any obstruction of light. You will see how clean, clear, and calm your home will feel. This is a small detail that makes a big difference. Bright plastic bottles can create visual noise. Instead, use simple dispensers. Keep the look cohesive. It instantly elevates your space without effort. Your everyday items like coffee, sugar, pasta. This mismatch containers and open bags. They create a feeling of disorder. Switch to glass jars, simple containers, but cohesive. Ones that match. Turn everyday items into part of your design. Old stained mugs. We all keep them. Chipped, stained, mismatched cups. But they don't feel good to use. And what matters? Keep a small collection of simple, beautiful, intentional pieces that match. Everyday items should feel good, not just functional. Harsh plug-in scents. Strong artificial scents can feel overwhelming. Instead, choose candles. Diffusers, something soft and subtle. Your home should feel calm. It shouldn't overpower you when you walk into your home. Here's what happens when you make these small changes. Your home starts to feel lighter, calmer, more intentional, and the best part, you don't need to change everything. You just need to remove what wasn't working. Because once you start noticing these small things, you'll never see your home the same way again. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us and be a part of growing this channel. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!